Hear me out, hawker style chicken chop is elite hawker food. It's my favorite comfort food after school. Make your own coleslaw. Very simple. Try to cut it as thin as you can. For the buns, because we're not deep frying it, it's very important to spray a lot of oil. Very simple chicken thigh, no need to marinate. The flavor will come mostly from the sauce. You just want to salt the skin so that later on we can get it really crispy. Just a bit of oil. I actually want the chicken to stick to get that caramelization. The secret to good brown sauce, fish sauce. Usually they don't put, but give that umami.
My secondary school friend want to eat with me. So what is this?
Hey, you cannot tell what is this, man.
Chicken chop ma, yeah. Wow, so juicy, yeah. Dude, your chicken chop so thick. Wow. Oh, sedap.